Hi everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna tell you how to fix iPhone 15 Pro or iPhone 15 Pro Max no sound or distorted sound issue. So guys, many iPhone 15 users are complaining that their iPhone 15 have no sound or their iPhone 15 distorts sound. So guys, don't worry, in this video I'm gonna tell you how to fix this no sound issue on your iPhone 15. So guys, first of all you have to check the volume. Make sure that your iPhone volume is turned up and not set to mute. Check the ringer and alert volume and turn it up if necessary. After checking this, then you have to check for headphones connected. If there is a headphone jack or connected Bluetooth device and you are not hearing sound from your iPhone speaker, it's possible that audio is being routed through the headphones instead. Disconnect the headphones and see if the sound works normally or not. After checking this, then you have to check the sound settings. Simply go to your settings, go back, then go to sound and haptics. Then check if the settings are correct. Make sure the ringer and alert volume are turned up, the vibrator or silent mode is off, and the change with button switch is on. After checking this and you're still facing the same issue, then you have to update your iPhone software. Simply go to your settings, tap on general, tap on software update and check if there are any update available for your iPhone 15. If there are, install them and update your iPhone 15 to the latest iOS version. After applying this all solution, you're still facing the same issue, then you have to check the sound balance. Simply again, you have to go to your settings and then go to accessibility and go to audio and visual and insecure and then insecure that the sound balance settings are in centered. If they are not, then adjust them to the center. After adjusting this to the center, you are still facing the same issue, then you have to try last solution, reset all settings. This restore your iPhone settings to their default value, but it doesn't delete any of your personal data. For this, simply you have to go back and then tap on your general. Then scroll down and tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset all settings, enter your password and fix your issue. So guys, if this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.